So this video is about how to add an adjustment layer na hindi maapektuhan ang lahat ng mga pictures or ang mga images below your current image. So, madali lang yon. First, you need to have like two images overlaid on top of each other. So, ito yung background at ito yung image na gusto mong baguhin o lagyan ng adjustment layer. So with that layer active, go to your adjustment layer and then choose curves. And then, so see, if this adjustment layer is not clipped, mapapansin mo na nagbabago ang kulay ng lahat ng nasa or lahat below it. So, ang gusto natin gawin, ang magbabago lang dapat ay yung person o yung top image. So, activate your adjustment layer and then click Alt. And then, itatapat natin yung cursor natin almost in between ng dalawang layer. And then, click. So, mapapansin natin na mayroong arrow dito na pointing down. So, that indicates that this layer is already clipped on this layer or on the top image. So whatever changes on the color or curves will only make the changes on the top layer.